Belinda Clymo and we're at Calmo Farms. So this is a 120 unit GEA rotary dairy platform.
Lots of stainless steel to last many years of many hours per day. So yeah, it's a real industrial type rotary.
At the moment, the dairy is milking 2,900 cows. This big rotary, 120 stalls, will help them to be efficient, milk cows faster in a shorter milking session, and even increase cow numbers over the years to produce more milk.
We have seen here in Australia the farm size have increased by 30% over the last 10 years. So this is an investment also into the future to deal with the ongoing growth in cow numbers on the farm.
So the T8900 system is designed for cow comfort. So the cabinet itself is ergonomically designed. There's no sharp edges, it's all soft edges, which aids in cow entry and exit.
Yeah, we're really excited to, I suppose, play with a toy that's at the top of its game. It's at its cutting edge. And yeah, we're really excited to see what it can do. It's like going from a Falcon to a Ferrari, I think, and we're in a Falcon now and I can't wait to drive the Ferrari.
I'd definitely recommend GEA for a dairy platform. They've been magnificent in the building of this process and I can't wait to get it started.
So if you have any questions about our systems, please visit our website, www.gea.com, or chat to your local GEA representative. We have dealers across the country.